So college network has been disconnected. That's why I'm using the mobile network. Please cooperate. So what I was telling it, am I audible now, please? Am I audible? Hello, anybody? Sonali Patil.
Yes, sir.
Yes, okay, okay, Sonali. Okay. So now, see here, what I was telling is uh, regarding the application we start, two phase, three phase we start. Then I define the all the basic things. All the basic things in the sense water content, White's ratio, porosity, relation between water ratio and porosity. And after this, I defined degree of saturation, then defined percentage air voids, then I defined uh, air content, and apart from this, I think I defined all densities and all unit weights and how to convert density to unit weight. That also I told you in the problem. Again, I will tell you. Then after this, I defined specific gravity, importance of specific gravity, then density index, its importance, its range, and then I defined. I think I derived. Just a minute. I have to take something. Again, problems are there here too much today. Anyway, I will get it. Try to get it. Just a minute. Okay. So then I derived the important formulas. If you remember, 12 formulas I derived. शायद आपको कुछ समझ आए होंगे, कुछ नहीं भी आए होंगे. So you need not worry. Again and again, I will repeat you. When I solve the problems, you will come across the most of them. Once again, I will reply. Today, I will start the numericals. So before going to the numericals, uh, all the derivations I did. So before going this, once again I will repeat all the formulas. Once again I will repeat all the formulas. What I defined is, first of all, please take down. Whatever I am telling, these are very, 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 I mean, useful and important in numericals. So all these things you should know. See here, when we take the formula, this volume relationship in terms of White's ratio, this volume of voids is given by E, volume of solids is given by 1, and total volume is 1 plus E. Total volume is 1 plus E. This is in terms of White's ratio. This is in terms of White's ratio. When we take in terms of porosity, total volume is taken as 1 here. Because in the definition of porosity, denominator V is 1. Therefore, total volume is taken as 1. White's volume is taken as n. Automatically, volume of solids becomes 1 minus n. So you should have clear things when porosity is there, when White's ratio is there, what are different volumes. Then only you can, useful for deriving the things. Next is I define water content. Water content is equal to weight of water by weight of solids. Weight of water into weight of solids into 100. Weight of water into weight of solids into 100. Then I defined bulk density. Bulk density is defined as mass by volume. Dry density is rho d, mass of mass of dry weights divided by, mass of dry material divided by volume. Then I defined saturated density. Saturated density is mass of saturated divided by volume. Then submerged mass is divided by volume is submerged density. The important thing you should know is submerged density is also given by saturated divided density minus rho w, where the value of rho w is 1 gram per centimeter cube. It is 1 gram per centimeter cube. This much we learned. Apart from that, bulk weight, unit weight we defined, same as density. Gamma is equal to W by V. Dry unit weight is equal to WD by V, where WD is weight of soil elements, solid soil elements. Then saturated unit weight is saturated weight by volume. saturated weight by volume. After this, I define submerged unit weight. So submerged unit weight is equal to submerged unit weight is equal to this is gamma saturated minus gamma W. These are the basic things I told you. Important thing I told you, how to convert density to unit weight. So suppose if the density in gram per centimeter cube, if you want to convert this into unit weight, you have to multiply it by 9.81 and answer you will get in terms of kilonewton per meter cube. Answer you will get in terms of kilonewton per meter cube. This is also very, very important in problems. The things which are important in problems I am telling you, specific gravity G is equal to gamma S by gamma W or gamma S is equal to G into gamma W. There are two types of specific gravities. One is true specific gravity, another is apparent or mass specific gravity. Mass specific gravity is given by this one, where all the volume is considered including voids, whereas in this specific gravity, volume of voids is neglected. This detail I told you already. Then voids ratio E is equal to VV by VS. Porosity N is equal to VV by V. Then what I defined is N is given by E divided by 1 plus E. E is equal to N divided by 1 minus N. E divided by Mahesh, I think I have given this slide to you. From there you can write down. Okay. Sadiq, Mahesh, I have given all these formulae in this slide, and this slide I uploaded. From there you, note down. And these you have to remember for solving the problems. So now N is equal to E upon 1 plus E. E is equal to N upon 1 minus N. And this also I derived. Everything I did. Again, only I am repeating here the things. Then degree of saturation I defined. S is equal to VW by VV. VW by VV. VW by VV is degree by saturation. And degree of saturation is 0 when it is dry sample. And degree of saturation when it is fully saturated. When it is fully saturated. This is the definition of percentage air voids. Yes, please mute karunga. VA by V into 100. Air content is equal to VA by VV. And remember, air content is equal to 1 minus degree of saturation. हे सगळे फॉर्म्युले तुम्हाला आठवण राहाव. आता तर तुम्ही बघून करू शकतात, पण एक्झाम मध्ये 100% you have to remember all these things. Then I define density index and relative compaction. Density index and relative compaction. Then ID is equal to E max minus E divided by E max minus E minimum. The range is 0 to 1. This is used for cohesionless soil only. And then I started all the important derivation. The first derivation is E is equal to omega G by S. E is equal to omega G by S. When S is equal to S is equal to 1, E is equal to omega saturated into G. E is equal to omega saturated into Z. This problem I told you. Second is NA is equal to E into 1 minus S upon 1 plus E. This also formula you should remember. NA means percentage air voids. Percentage air voids. This is given by E into 1 minus S upon 1 plus E. Also, NA is given by N into AC. This is third derivation. This is second derivation. This is again one more important derivation. When gamma D can be found by, this is G gamma W divided by 1 plus E. Suppose if gamma D and G are given, E can be found by G into gamma W by gamma D minus 1. तुम्ही derivation practice करा, तेव्हा हे सगळं आपलं आपण आठवण राहते. Problems पण solve करा. There you will come to know. E is equal to G gamma W, G into gamma W gamma D minus 1. Then gamma saturation is equal to G plus E. G plus E into gamma W divided by 1 plus E. And gamma is equal to, this is the standard formula. If you take S is equal to 1, you will get the formula of gamma saturation. If you put S is equal to 0, you will get the formula for gamma D. This is the general formula for gamma. Please mute karun gya. Then submerged by including minus 1 plus E into gamma W. Submerged density is given by
त्या
G
दिवशी मला
formula.
परत व्हिडिओ काढ आवडत
When gamma is
होते.
given, too much disturbance, please. Mute करून घ्या. Then gamma D, when gamma is given, gamma D is taken by gamma upon 1 plus W. Small w is water content. This is formula for gamma dash. This is formula for gamma in terms of S. Then this is the formula for gamma D. G gamma W divided by 1 plus omega G by S. And this is the last formula. Gamma D is equal to 1 minus NA G gamma W divided by 1 plus omega G. All these 12 derivations we did. All these 12 derivations we did. You have to remember each and every formula with derivations. That's why again and I am telling you, this topic is, starting topic is very important and very difficult also. Very important and very difficult also. Very difficult also. Now we shall move for the numericals. Please हे बघून घ्या. तुम्हाला काहीतरी डाऊट असलं तर तुम्ही विचारू शकता त्याच्यामध्ये. If you have any doubts, you can ask till now. But you do it yourself. Now I will move for formula. This slide already I uploaded. Link मध्ये पण अपलोड केलो, ग्रुप मध्ये पण अपलोड केलो. कोणाला पर्सनली पाहिजे झालंय पुन्हा न भेटलं तर मला व्हॉट्सअप करा, मी पर्सनली पण पाठवतो तुम्हाला. हे सगळे फॉर्म्युले एकीकडे ठेवून लिहून ठेवलो मी. तुम्ही you please practice it. Got it? Now we shall move for numericals. Now we shall move for numericals. Okay. You take down this question. आराम में करू तो सगळे प्रॉब्लेम तुम्ही डिटेल मध्ये केला, सगळं मी करतो. When I ask you to do, at that time only you do. Now just you take down the question in the notebook, keep calculator with you, pen with you, and whatever the things I tell you, first you try to understand, and when I ask you to do, then only you do it. Now the question is like this. A soil sample has a porosity of 40%. A soil sample is there. It has a porosity of 40%. A soil sample has a porosity of 40%. The specific gravity of solids is 2.70. The specific gravity of solids is 2.70. Calculate White's ratio. White's ratio means E. Calculate White's ratio, E. Dry density, gamma D. Dry density or dry density is gamma D. Unit weight, if the soil is 50% saturated. If the soil is 50% saturated, what is the gamma? Unit weight, if the soil is completely saturated. What is the unit weight? When the soil is completely saturated. When the soil is 50% saturated means S is equal to 0.5, and when the soil is fully saturated means S is equal to 1. S is equal to 1. Once again I will explain the question. Please take down the question. आराम न करा, गड़बड़ करू नका. Don't think about the syllabus. Each and everything you should understood. That is the first priority. A soil sample has a porosity of 40%. A soil sample has a porosity of 40%. The specific gravity of solids is 2.70. Calculate White's ratio, dry density, unit weight of the soil if it is 50% saturated, and unit weight of the soil if it is completely saturated. If it is completely saturated. If it is completely saturated. तुम्ही काही करू नका, फक्त बघा, मला करू द्या. When I ask you, you do it. A soil sample has a porosity of 40% means N is equal to 40%, which can be written as 0.4. N is 0.4. What is the second thing given? The specific gravity of solids is 2.70. G is 2.70. Only two things has been given to you. N is 40%. G is 2.70. N is 40% means it is 0.4. N is equal to 0.4. G is 2.7. What is the first thing he is asking? What is White's ratio? E is equal to how much? What he is asking? E is equal to how much? Small e is equal to how much? Now we know the relation. When porosity is given, E can be found easily. There is a relation. E is equal to N upon 1 minus N. Remember? आठवण आलं काय? नाही आठवण आलं तरी आता आठवण ठेवत जावा. When porosity is given, E can be found by N divided by 1 minus N. So now N is 0.4. 1 minus N means 1 minus 0.4. 0.4 by 0.6 or E is equal to 0.667. E is equal to 0.667. What is E? White's ratio. What is its unit? It is without unit, dimensionless. Got it? So porosity से पहले आप E find out करें. Next is actually dry density बोला. Question is wrong here. It should be dry unit weight. It should be dry unit weight. Question में लिखो, change कर लो please. It should be dry unit weight. Dry density मतलब rho d होता. I want gamma d here. I want gamma d here. Now you see here, gamma d I want. Gamma d is given by one important again this formula. आता सगळे formula लिहून घेत जावा, आठवण करा. Gamma d is given by G gamma W divided by 1 plus E. G into gamma W divided by 1 plus E. G we don't know, 2.7. Gamma W is the unit weight of water. It is fixed one, 9.81 kilonewton per meter cube. लिहून घ्या, माहित नसलं तर. Unit weight of water, fluid mechanics मध्ये शिकलात. 9.81 kilonewton per meter cube divided by 1 plus E. 1 plus E is already we found 0.667. 0.667. So if you simplify this, you will get 15.89 kilonewton per meter cube. So gamma D is equal to 15.89 kilonewton per meter cube. झालं? दोन आले. Third is what he is asking. What he is asking in the third one, unit weight of the soil if it is 50% saturated. What is gamma when it is 50% saturated? So now you see here, what we need is now water content is needed. Water content कसं करतो तुम्ही? आम्हाला पाहिजे इथं gamma is equal to how much? To get the gamma, we need unit water content. Water content कसं काढायचं? That I will tell you. So water content is given by, see here, when it is 50%, 50%, omega, E is equal to omega G by S. This is the first formula we derived. E is equal to omega manje, omega or small w, same thing. Omega G by S, but omega is equal to E into S by G, and S is here 50%, 0.5. So E is 0.667 into 0.5 divided by 2.70. So you will get water content as 0.124. Water content is 0.124. Gamma D is equal to 15.89. Already we find one more relation we are having. Gamma D is equal to gamma divided by 1 plus small w. ये सगळे फॉर्म्युले आठवण ठेवा तुम्ही. Gamma D is equal to gamma divided by 1 plus water content. I want gamma. Gamma is equal to gamma D into 1 plus w. Gamma D is what, 15.89 and 1 plus w 0.125. So answer is 17.85 kilonewton per meter cube. 17.85 kilonewton per meter cube. Please go through the question. थोडं थोडं लिहून घ्या. अगोदर एवढं लिहून घ्या. आराम न करा, गडबड करू नका. अगोदर पोरोसिटी दिलाय, मी वाइड्स रेशो काढलो, हे खूप इझी आहे. एवढं लिहून घ्या. हे झाल्यानंतर नेक्स्ट स्टेप लिहून घ्या. मला कुठं डाऊट आहे विचारत जावा प्लीज. डू इट प्लीज. चला लिहून घ्या लवकर. फर्स्ट वाइड्स रेशियो विचारला आहे, पोरोसिटी दिलेला आहे. E is equal to n upon 1 minus n. It's very simple. E is 0.667. एवढं लिहून घ्या. ह्याच्यामध्ये काय तर डाऊट असतं तर विचारा. If you have any doubts, you ask here. E is equal to 0.667. E is equal to 0.667. I think no doubt for everybody. Porosity unit. Sorry, porosity दिले म्हणजे. Somebody is asking some doubt. Let me clear. Okay, Rayan. I think you joined late. So let me tell you. Here porosity is given Rayan. Porosity is 40%. That is 0.4. You want White's ratio. White's ratio is given by E is equal to n upon 1 minus n. When porosity is given, White's ratio का formula है. E is equal to n upon 1 minus n. N is 0.4. 1 minus 0.4. Simplify करो. E is equal to 0.667. पहला स्टेप क्लियर सबको. आगे का मैं अभी रिपीट करता हूं, आप गड़बड़ मत करो. E is 0.667. But what I am observing is 15-20 students are absent. Please GT में absent मत रहो. मैं आपके एक्शन लेता हूं. FT आपके ऊपर है, एप्टीट्यूड, लेकिन GT में सबको आना है. मैं बार बार बोल रहा हूं. Okay, E you got. Second he is asking what is the dry unit weight, gamma D. जब G दिया और E दिया, गामा D का फॉर्मूला है, गामा D का फॉर्मूला है G into gamma W divided by 1 plus E. G into gamma W divided by 1 plus E. So G is 2.7, gamma W is 9.81 divided by 1 plus E. If you simplify this one, you will get 15.89 kilonewton per meter cube. 15.89 kilonewton per meter cube. ये हुआ गामा D. ये हुआ gamma D. Once you get gamma D, now what he is asking, what is the unit weight when saturation is 50%? When saturation is 50%, what we need is we want water content. Water content कसं काढायचं? हे फॉर्म्युला आहे. E is equal to small w और ओमेगा. मी काय ओमेगा म्हणतो का स्मॉल w म्हणतो? स्मॉल म्हणण्यापेक्षा ओमेगा म्हणा इझी होऊन जातं. ओमेगा G by S. Therefore omega is equal to ES by G. E is 0.667 into S is 0.5 divided by G is 2.7. Simplify करा 0.124. तो गामा D दिलेला आहे, आमच्याकडे आलेला आहे. तर गामा D is equal to gamma 1 upon W. ह्याच्यानं तुम्ही गामा काढून घ्या आणि गामा येते when it is 50% 17.85. 17.85 हे पण लिहून घ्या प्लीज. थर्ड स्टेप लिहिल्यानंतर लास्ट स्टेप सबस्टिट्यूट करा. आता काही कोणाला डाऊट असतं विचारा. Please, if you have any doubts, you can ask. If you have any doubts, you can ask. Gamma D is equal to gamma upon 1 plus W. Gamma D is equal to gamma upon 1 plus W. So gamma D into 1 plus W. So हे व्हॅल्यू सबस्टिट्यूट करा. आणि बघा काही डाऊट असतं विचारा. आम्ही वॉटर कंटेंट का काढलो तर इथं ह्या फॉर्म्युल्यामध्ये वॉटर कंटेंट आहे, त्याकरता आम्ही गिवन डाटा घेऊन हे तुम्ही अँड यू आय मीन नीड नॉट वरी. एवढे फॉर्म्युले मी कसं आठवण ठेवू, हे कसं आठवण येते हे तुम्ही प्रॅक्टिस करता 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 जा, आपला पण आठवण येते. अँड प्रॅक्टिस इट. दिस इज द स्टार्टिंग. अँड वन मोर थिंग इट इज गिवन. व्हॉट इज द युनिट वेट व्हेन सॅच्युरेशन इज 1? What is the unit weight when saturation is 1? When saturation is 1, हे तुम्ही करा, मी केलं नाही. Saturation is 1, इथं 0.5 च्या जागी 1 घ्या. 1 घेतल्यानंतर 0.667 by 2.70. That is your water content. ते वॉटर कंटेंट घेऊन हे गामा डी घेऊन पुन्हा गामा काढा आणि मला आन्सर सांगा. प्लीज टेक युअर टाइम. कळालं की नाही मी काय विचारलो तुम्हाला? थर्ड क्वेश्चन काय होतं? व्हॉट इज दी, somebody is asking something. Okay, Gaurav has done. Okay, okay, Gaurav. So what he wants is, now what is the gamma when Sheetal and Gaurav, you are getting little bit different. Of course, बघा कोणाचं करेक्ट आहे, दे डिफरंट मध्ये 0.667 into 1 करा. आता का म्हणजे डिग्री ऑफ सॅच्युरेशन 1 आहे. 0.667 by 2.70 ते वॉटर कंटेंट किती येते सांगा मला अगोदर. ते वॉटर कंटेंट आल्यानंतर इथं वॉटर कंटेंटच्या जागी ते सबस्टिट्यूट करा. तुम्ही वॉटर कंटेंटच्या जागी काय वॉटर कंटेंट आहे ते सबस्टिट्यूट करा आणि गामा काढा. दॅट इज द फायनल आन्सर. ओके शीतल, राईट. नाउ इट इज राईट. सो आय थिंक इट इज 19.814. And what is the water content, Sheetal? Sheetal, Gaurav. What is the water content? Sonali Patil, right? Water content किती आला इथं? 0.667, 0.247. Okay. Water content is 0.247. 0.247 घ्या, इथं सबस्टिट्यूट करा आणि तुम्हाला भेटेल what is the gamma here. आता पुन्हा एकदा फुल प्रॉब्लेम लिहून घ्या, बघून घ्या. मला कोणाला कुठं डाऊट असतं विचारा. ओके महेश साळुंके, व्हेरी गुड. प्लीज, दिस इज नॉट ऍप्टिट्यूड. ऍप्टिट्यूड मध्ये सगळ्याला कंपल्सरी नाही, पण हे सगळेजण करायचं आहे. सगळ्याला कळाव, सगळे अटेंड करा. काही डाऊट असतं विचारून घ्या, क्वेश्चन लिहून घ्या, प्रैक्टिस करा. फॉर्मूले आठवण न आल तर नहीं आए तो भी कोई बात नहीं है, आप लिख लो. अपने आप प्रैक्टिस से आते जाता. सॉइल सैंपल हैज अ पोरोसिटी ऑफ 40%. ओके, ओपोनाइन पोरोसिटी ऑफ 40%. पोरोसिटी दिलाय तर तुम्हाला फक्त वाइड्स रेशो काढायचा अगोदर. वाइड्स रेशो इज गिवन बाय n/1 minus n. वाइड्स रेशो भेटेल तुम्हाला. यू विल गेट वाइड्स रेशो. ओके स्नेहल, व्हेरी गुड. वाइड्स रेशो इज 0.667. नंतर ड्राय युनिट वेट विचारलाय. जी आहे, ई आहे. गामा डी इज गिवन बाय दिस फॉर्म्युला. सो यू विल गेट गामा डी. ओके शीतल, वन मोर शीतल. 15.89 बिल्कुल करेक्ट है. यहां तक सबको, यहां तक किसी को सिर्फ फॉर्मूले सब्स्टिट्यूट करने का है. थर्ड क्या पूछा उन्होंने, यूनिट वेट कितना है जब यस 0.5 है, और जब यस 0.5 है तो ओमेगा इज इक्वल टू ES बाय जी. यस 0.5 ले लो, सब्स्टिट्यूट करो, ओमेगा 0.124 आता. ओमेगा 0.124 आने के बाद गामा डी 15.89 है, इसमें सब्स्टिट्यूट करो. गामा डी इज इक्वल टू गामा 1 प्लस डब्ल्यू. गामा डी तो मालूम है आपको, डब्ल्यू भी मालूम है, गामा मिलता. सिमिलरली S1 लेके भी वाटर कंटेंट निकाल के कंप्लीट करो. लास्ट मैं नहीं किया, आपके लिए किया. अब फिर एक बार टाइम देता हूं मैं आपको. एक बार लिख लो, क्वेश्चन भी लिख लो, आंसर भी लिख लो. कुछ डाउट है तो अभी पूछो प्लीज. देयर इज नो हरी फॉर कंप्लीशन ऑफ सिलेबस. आराम से करेंगे और हर यूनिट के बाद हम गेट के सारे क्वेश्चंस भी सॉल्व करेंगे. वो आपको MCQ में भी यूज हो जाते साइमल्टेनियसली. So please, if you have any doubts, you can ask before moving to next question. देखिए पोरोसिटी और वाइड्स रेशियो का बहुत कॉमन फॉर्मूला है. पोरोसिटी दिया तो E निकाल सकते हैं n/1 minus n. E is equal to n/1 minus n. E दिया तो पोरोसिटी भी निकाल सकते हैं. n is equal to E/1 plus E. E/1 plus E. और सेकंड है जब आपको G देता और E आता, गामा D का ये भी बहुत पॉपुलर फॉर्मूला है. कुछ फॉर्मूले बहुत पॉपुलर है, जैसा मैं अभी आपको ये बोला. और ये गामा D इज इक्वल टू G गामा W डिवाइडेड बाय 1 प्लस E. इससे आपको डायरेक्टली गामा D मिलता. और एक और पॉपुलर फॉर्मूला है, E फर्स्ट डेरिवेशन है ये, E इज इक्वल टू ओमेगा G बाय S. ओमेगा G बाय S. और ओमेगा इज इक्वल टू ES बाय G. Omega is equal to ES by G. Yes, somebody is asking something. Let me see. Madhuri Sakre, 16.28. मॅडम मला कळलं नाही तुम्ही काय आन्सर घातला ते कोणता आहे. गामा डी 15.89 येते बेटा. 15.89 किलोमीटर पर मीटर क्यूब. S is 0.5. When S is 0.5. ते S यूज करा, गामा D येतो. ठीक है, ये क्वेश्चन लिख लो और इसके बाद एक छोटा सा ब्रेक ले लो 2 मिनिट का. बघा, ट्राय करा. माधुरी पुन्हा एकदा विचार करा. सगळ्यांचं 15.89 आलंय, माझ्याकडे पण तेच आलंय. आम्ही चुकी होऊ शकतो, बघून घ्या. तो इसके बाद एक छोटा सा 2-4 मिनट का ब्रेक ले लो. कॉलेज का इंटरनेट नहीं है, मैं मोबाइल के इंटरनेट से यूज कर रहा हूं. आई होप दिस क्वेश्चन इज वेरी क्लियर टू यू. दिस क्वेश्चन इज वेरी क्लियर टू यू. ओके, दिस क्वेश्चन इज